design enthusiasts. Welcome to Homes Inspiration Studios, your one and only source for interior-exterior design inspiration. Today, we share with you the allure of industrial kitchen design and how to create a stylish and functional space with exposed brick, metal accents, and wood elements. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Let's talking all things industrial kitchen. You know that raw, edgy look you've been seeing in magazines and on your favorite home renovation shows? That's industrial design. It's like taking a piece of a bustling city and bringing it right into your home. What is industrial kitchen design? Industrial kitchen design is all about embracing the beauty of raw materials and exposed structures. Think exposed brick walls, metal pipes, and concrete floors. It's a style that's inspired by old factories and warehouses, but it's been transformed into a chic and modern look that's perfect for the modern home. So, why would you want an industrial kitchen? Well, for starters, it's incredibly stylish. It's a look that's bold, unique, and sure to impress your guests. But it's more than just looks. Industrial kitchens are also incredibly functional. With open shelving and clean lines, everything has its place. How to decorate your industrial kitchen to look amazing. Decorating an industrial kitchen is all about balance. You want to keep that raw, edgy feel, but you also want to create a warm and inviting space. Here are some tips. First, embrace exposed elements. Show off those brick walls and metal beams. They're the heart of the industrial look. Second, choose the right color palette. Stick to neutral colors like black, white, gray, and brown. You can add pops of color with accessories. Third, incorporate wood. Wood adds warmth and contrast to the cold industrial elements. Think wooden countertops, shelves, or a dining table. Fourth, lighting is key. Industrial-style pendant lights or exposed Edison bulbs can add character to your kitchen. Fifth, don't forget the details. Add industrial touches with metal accents, like bar stools, pot racks, or faucet fixtures. To complete your industrial kitchen look, you'll need the right furniture. Here are some key pieces. First, industrial-style cabinets. Opt for metal or wood cabinets with a distressed finish. Open shelving can also work well. Second, a large kitchen island. A kitchen island is a must-have in any kitchen, and it's especially important in an industrial space. Choose a metal or wood island with plenty of storage. Third, metal bar stools. These are a classic industrial choice. Look for stools with a leather or wood seat for added comfort. Fourth, a vintage dining table. A vintage wooden dining table can add warmth and character to your industrial kitchen. And here these the collection of the top 10 industrial kitchen design ideas to inspire you. 1. Exposed brick wall with open shelving. Create a dramatic focal point and maximize storage space with this classic industrial combination. 2. Sleek black cabinets with copper accents. Achieve a sophisticated and modern look while maintaining the industrial vibe. 3. Concrete countertops with a farmhouse sink. Combine raw, industrial materials with a touch of rustic charm for a unique and functional space. 4. Large industrial pendant lights over a kitchen island. Make a bold statement and enhance the ambience with these eye-catching fixtures. 5. Mixed metal finishes for a layered look. Add depth and interest to your kitchen by incorporating different metal tones such as black, silver, and copper. 6. Vintage industrial-style lighting. Incorporate characterful lighting fixtures like Edison bulb pendants or exposed filament bulbs to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 7. Reclaimed wood accents for warmth. Introduce natural elements to balance the cold industrial aesthetic and add a touch of rustic charm. 8. Industrial-style rolling kitchen cart. This versatile piece offers additional storage and prep space while maintaining the industrial style. 9. Bold geometric tiles for a backsplash. Add a pop of color and pattern to your kitchen with a striking geometric tile backsplash. 10. Indoor plants to bring life to the space. Introduce greenery to soften the industrial look and create a refreshing, inviting atmosphere. These ideas will inspire you to create an industrial kitchen that is both stylish and functional. Remember, the key to a successful industrial kitchen is to create a space that reflects your personal style. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. Creating an industrial kitchen is a fantastic way to transform your cooking space into a stylish and functional haven. By incorporating raw materials, exposed structures, and industrial-inspired furnishings, you can achieve a look that's both edgy and inviting. Want more industrial kitchen inspiration? Check out our YouTube channel, Home Inspiration Studios, for tutorials, tips, and design ideas to help you create the perfect industrial kitchen. Let's get started on turning your kitchen dreams into reality. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best industrial kitchen design gallery ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.